Meaning of ibly.
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 Ibly. Ibly is a suffix that can be added to the end of certain English adjectives to form adverbs. It means in a manner that is capable of or in a way that can be. For example, credibly means in a manner that can be believed and incredibly means in a manner that is not able to be believed. Adverbs formed with ibly are typically used to describe the manner in which an action is performed or the quality of something. Overall, ibly allows for the formation of adverbs that convey the capability or possibility of a given action or attribute.